Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to disable multiple answer option in poll on WhatsApp. Friends, as we used to ask different questions in our WhatsApp group by using poll feature. But due to some reason, if you want to disable multiple answer option in your poll, then you simply need to create a poll in your WhatsApp group. Now I have opened a WhatsApp group. Now I will first make a poll. Now for this question, if you don't want people to answer multiple options, then you simply need to turn off allow multiple answers. Now we have turned off multiple answer option for this question. Now press on send button to send this poll. Now as you can see here is written select one. Now if anyone want to answer for this question, then he can only select any one option. If he selects other one, then the first one will be deselected. So friends, like this you can very easily disable multiple answer option in poll on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.